Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I want to introduce you to a game-changing product that will revolutionize the way you approach household tasks and beyond. Introducing the Plastic Spray Bottle, 4-pack, 24 Oz, all-purpose, a heavy-duty spraying bottle that is designed to meet all your needs with its adjustable nozzle and leak-proof design. The adjustable nozzle feature allows you to switch from a fine mist to a solid stream with a simple twist, allowing you to tackle any job with ease and precision. No more wasted product with the extra long tube that ensures every last drop is sprayed out. Not only is this spray bottle versatile, but it is also chemically resistant, making it the perfect solution for holding up against harsh chemicals and solvents. The checklist on the side of each bottle helps you stay organized and informed about the contents, and the labels provided cater to your specific needs. The upgraded spray head and leak-proof design ensures a no-clog and no-leak experience, making it a reliable and efficient tool for household, commercial, and industrial uses. From cleaning solutions and pet training to misting and watering plants, this spray bottle covers it all. But what sets this spray bottle apart is its better trigger design. The unique 4-finger trigger and comfortable fit in your hand eliminate hand fatigue, while the adjustable red nozzle makes switching between mist, stream, or off a breeze. So, if you're ready to take your household tasks and beyond to the next level, I highly recommend getting your hands on the Plastic Spray Bottle, 4-pack, 24 Oz, all-purpose, via the link in the description. Trust me, you won't regret it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more game-changing products and reviews. Thanks for watching.